Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life, those the art of living well. No great mind has ever existed without a touch of madness. Anybody can become angry, that is easy, but to be angry with the right person and to the right degree and at the right time and for the right purpose and in the right way, that is not within everybody's power and is not easy. The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living differ from the dead. Those who know, do. Those that understand, teach. Excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives. The more you know, the more you know you don't know. Learning is not child's play. We cannot learn without pain. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. He who has overcome his fears will truly be free. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who conquers his enemies, for the hardest victory is over self. To write well, express yourself like the common people, but think like a wise man. For the things we have to learn before we can do them, we learn by doing them. The energy of the mind is the essence of life. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Wise men speak when they have something to say. Fools speak because they have to say something. Learning is an ornament in prosperity, a refuge in adversity, and a provision in old age.